Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom dynamic QR code for Canva, something you can update later without having to replace the design. It's super handy for links that might change over time, so let's jump in. So first, Canva only creates static QR codes, which means the link can't be changed later. To make a dynamic one, you'll need to use an outside generator. Websites like BeaconStack, QR Code Tiger, or Flowcode work great. Any of those will let you edit the link later on. Now go ahead and paste the link you want to use into the generator. Then choose Dynamic or Editable. Some sites might ask you to create a free account. Yeah, that's normal for dynamic codes. Once it's generated, download the QR code as a PNG. Next, jump back into Canva and open the design where you want to place your QR code. This could be a poster, a business card, a flyer, really anything. On the left side, click the Uploads tab, then upload the PNG file you just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, drag it onto the canvas. From here, you can resize it, add a frame, add text like scan me, maybe drop a little icon next to it. Just style it however you want to match your design. And the best part is, since it's dynamic, you can change the link later without updating your Canva file. Just log back into the QR generator website, edit the destination URL, and your printed or posted design will still work. So yeah, that's how you make a custom dynamic QR code for Canva. It's easy, flexible, and really useful when your link might change down the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.